What's today? Today is, I believe it's the 19th, March 19th, Tuesday. I have a biology test tomorrow. A bit late. I'm starting, my study is starting pretty late, so I'll probably be up later tonight and wake up really early tomorrow. Yeah, I got my cue cards read. I might write more, but I shall be studying these tonight. Hopefully they go well. I don't really know how I feel about this test. It was kind of sprung upon us. I feel like sort of last minute. I don't remember hearing anything about it before March break, but apparently we were supposed to have a test. It's tomorrow. I found it about a Monday. It's not a huge test. It's quite small. I think we might have had 2 lessons or maybe 3 lessons on it total. But I feel like I would have appreciated knowing about it a little earlier, but whatever, it's fine. So I'll be doing that tonight. I have to work on a bio lab as well. That's due Friday. So I'll probably work on that starting tomorrow. Hopefully I can get that finished in 2 days. And that should be all my worries for the week. So hopefully they go well. Okay. Let's see. 1 like and 1 view. I appreciate it. This is a cool pencil. It's a metallic pencil. I broke it a long time ago, and I bought these new ones that are black. But just recently I fixed it. So that's cool. So I'll be using that tonight. Pretty sick. Let's play some nice rain. I appreciate the rain. Nice and calming. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it doesn't matter. It's my study session. Okay, let's go to the PowerPoint. I don't even know where the PowerPoints are. Because I was looking at these earlier. I couldn't find the PowerPoints. Unless this might just be all of it. Hey, this is probably it. Yeah, so we did this, and this is all enzyme stuff. Now, I should have this somewhere. Unless that might be it. Oh, this is okay. This is that. When did we do this? Was that Monday? It might have been. Fuck. That's crazy. Oh, hello, Maxwell. How are you? We gotta hang out more, Max, and talk about psychedelics because I'm kind of in this interesting part in school right now where the stuff I'm learning is not that interesting. Well, it's kind of interesting, but my personal studies or research, which I guess is on psychedelics right now, is much more fascinating. And actually a large reason I haven't started my studying yet is because I was doing a bunch of research on psychedelics because it's just more interesting. Like oh man, it's so cool. I can't wait to do psychedelics every single day of my life until I become a awakened god that sees through his third eye and can perceive motion before it even happens. So I have these on cue cards. Am I missing anything? Okay, enzyme structure, substrate enzyme, enzyme substrate complex. The substrate must fit precisely in the active site in order for the reaction to proceed. All enzymes are highly specific to only one substrate. Enzyme structure continued. Substrate enzyme. Enzyme substrate complex. Oh. I don't know if this is up. Hopefully it is. My phone just died. I see comments from Jade and Kim. Hello, Jade. Hello, Kim. I don't know if you're oh fuck. I don't know if you're still here. Might not be. I need to like reinforce that thing. 5 people. I'm here. Okay. Holy cow, 5 people already. This is crazy. I'm starting to become a very popular guy, you see. Whoa, 5 people. That's nothing, Jade. I had 8 viewers one time, okay? It was pretty awesome. Alright. We got the it's induced fit model. Binding site, glucose substrate. The substrate interact with the functional groups within the enzyme's active site. This helps to weaken the bonds in the substrate and increase the rate of reaction. When the enzyme and substrate interact, it changes shape to better fit the substrate. So that's like the lock and key thing that the proteins do to the phospholipid membrane, or the just membrane in general. 5 people, 1 like. Come on, guys. Let's get that like. Let's get the likes up. Like goal of 3 likes. That'd be pretty awesome. Enzymes are biological reactions. Enzymes and biological reactions. This is messy. Okay. Activation energy with enzyme. Activation energy EA with enzyme. Change in free energy. Energy of products. Okay, so this is a stupid thing. Okay.
Look at that girl weightlifter.
Oh, sure.
It's starting.
Alright, I'm back. Sorry about that. I I was watching a 10-year-old like power lifter, and my family told me that she could lift 300 pounds, and I was watching her demonstration. It was on America's Got Talent. I was looking at the weight and how she was lifting it, and then she would drop it. And first of all, the weights themselves didn't look like your traditional 45 pounds. They were quite thin, and the material looked, it was more like a plastic, so it didn't look nearly as heavy as the metal ones. But I was like, maybe it's just a different place, could be different weights, probably 45, whatever. She put like 4 on each side. I was like, there's no way. And she lifted it. She did like a what's it called, like clean and jerk or something like that. She did like that and pushed it over her head. And then she stood on 1 foot. And I was like, there's no way she's moving like 300 or 400 pounds that easily. That's just like I don't even think like a top athletes in like women's powerlifting can lift that much and at least make it look like it was their struggle. Turns out she was only lifting 133, but it's still impressive. It's like double her body weight. I think she's like 75 pounds, so still a very impressive lift, especially at that age. 2 likes, holy cow! I almost had that fucking like goal. Wow, this is awesome. This is crazy. Okay, what am I doing? What is this? You know, I should be doing the enzyme substrate complex. So allow the bonds to be weakened and easily broken without increasing the activation energy of the reaction. So it's free energy of reactants. So there's energy, there's activation energy without enzyme. There's activation energy with enzyme. Change in free energy. I'm gonna make like a new stand. It's kind of broken. I think it's here. Enzymes can lower the activation energy by the arg. Wait, what? Are these all options or? Okay, I see. The R group of the protein interferes with the molecule bonds in the substrate. B, the transfer electrons between the enzyme and substrate. C, add or remove hydrogen ions to form the substrate. To or form? Okay. Enzymes. Factors affecting enzyme activity, temperature, pH, enzyme concentration, substrate concentration. Enzymes function in optimal environments. Changes in the environment can alter the rate of reaction. Number 1, cofactors / coenzymes. Where's this? We have that temperature, pH, blah blah blah. There's a picture. Where's this? Here it is. Okay, cofactors / coenzymes. A cofactor is placed in the active site of the enzyme and helps to draw electrons from the substrate molecules. Just the active protein, cofactor, binding site, active protein. Competitive inhibitor. I remember learning about this. Where is this? Ew, that's gross. Here it is. The inhibitor has a similar shape to the enzyme and binds to the active site. The greater inhibitor concentration the less likely it is that a reaction will occur. Goodbye. Have a good night. Goodbye, Jade. Good night to you as well. Non-competitive inhibitor. The inhibitor binds to another site. What is it? Allosteric site. On the enzyme that changes its conformation and prevents the substrate from binding. By increasing the substrate concentration, the reaction rate does not change because the shape has changed and it will not bind. Not competitive inhibitor. Increasing the substrate concentration, the reaction rate does not change because the shape has changed. Therefore, not bind. One person. Who's the one person in here? Please do comment. Don't be a creep. Being in the chat or watching me and not commenting is really creepy, okay? It's weird. Acids and bases. Did we do this today or is this part of it was yesterday? Actually, this would have been done a while ago because we only had one lesson, and that was Monday. Today was a different lesson, not with this unit. So I guess maybe we did know about it before the break. I must have just missed it or forgot about it. Too bad. Do we get to acids in this one? It doesn't seem like we do. Okay, these no, not acid. Come on, where's my acid, man? I need my acid. I feel like this PowerPoint is not posted. Which is a little concerning. Is it a review? When was this done? This was... I wish we could see when this was posted, but I can't. Filled grape. I don't think this is what I'm looking for. I guess I'm just gonna wing it. I have some sheets here. I could fire off some questions. I actually haven't even finished this sheet. I also don't even... Oh, I do have a picture. I do have a picture of that. It's on my phone. I'm using my phone to stream, so I guess I'm not getting the picture, which is okay. It's okay. I don't need the picture. I'll just... I'm gonna be able to like memorize what it was, because you have the deoxyribo sugar connected to the phosphate that's connected to one of the nitrogenous bases or something like that. I mean, I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm not sure. I don't know. It's weird. It's not posted. Is there a discussion about it? Nope. There's still one weird person in here. It could be me, actually. I don't think it's me. Ocean thunderstorm? Hold on. I gotta watch this. That sounds sick. Nah, that's not good. It's not hitting this one for me. The rain was a little too intense there for me. I like a nice calm rain. It's Max. Did you end up seeing Din too, Maxwell? I kind of assume you probably didn't because I feel like your movie would like be finishing around 9 if it was at like 6 or whatever. Acids and bases. Chemicals of an acid, sour taste, ability to conduct electricity. It turns blue. Litmus paper red. Because of a base. Bitter. Turns red. Litmus paper blue. Slippery. Acid. A substance that releases hydrogen ions, protons, H plus when dissolved in water. Each HCl molecule I think it says disassociates. I think I'm moving wrong. Okay, fair enough. Each HCl molecule associates when dissolved in water. Okay, base. A substance that releases a hydroxide OH ion or accepts a proton. pH scale 0, 7 neutral, or 0 is acidic, 7 is neutral, 14 is basic. A numeric scale that is used to classify solutions as either acidic, basic, or neutral. The pH scale measures the concentration of protons in a solution. Neutralization reactions. When an acid is mixed with a base, the solution is neutralized due to the water that is formed. HCl plus NOH will give you water and a salt. That's neutralization, baby. That's so weird. You add. Oh, I see. Never mind. My mom sent me a link she sent me a message. Check out this podcast with the author of The 40 Laws of Power. My boy Robert Greene has a podcast. It's probably just like Joe Rogan or something. Acid/base buffers. Applications of pH. In the human body, different organs will obtain or contain a narrow pH range. The stomach is 1 to 3, intestines 7 to 7.9, saliva is 6 to 6.7. If the pH range within these organs deviates from its average range, health issues may arise. Fair enough. Buffers. Weak acids or bases do not completely dissociate. They can form buffers. Buffer solutions resist changes in pH when an acid or base is added. The blood has a buffer solution that maintains a pH of 7.35. This is essential so that proteins such as hemoglobin or enzymes that can catalyze reactions don't denature and lose their ability to function. So that's what a buffer is. Buffers are important because they make sure the pH doesn't go out of whack when acid or base is introduced to the body. Because if that happens, health issues may arise. Blood buffer continue. Acidos. I gotta figure out how to pronounce that properly. What am I? Doesn't. This doesn't seem like. Hold on. Acidosis. Got it right. Okay, so acidosis, a pH of lower than, or has a pH lower than 7.35. The reactions push to the left as the HCO3 reacts with the hydrogen to form carbonic acid, which breaks down CO2, which can be exhaled, and H2O, which can be excreted. Okay. So that's acidosis. No, I feel like there's another one. Like, something else. Maybe not. Acids plus base buffers. So CO2, H2O, they will can become H2O, CO3 lungs. So a bicarbonate is a common buffer used by humans to control the pH levels in the blood. H plus H3O3 to the kidneys. So I don't really know what that is. I think it's called the buffer equation. I'm gonna look that up and see if I can figure out what exactly this means. To calculate the pH of a buffer solution, the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation is used. pH equals pKa plus log acid slash base. If working with a weak acid and conjugate base, the pKa is found and plugged into the concentrations for each added to the solution. Okay, I definitely did not learn about that in class, so I'm just not gonna worry about that. Okay, for blood buffer. Ah, this is it. Okay, so these ones go hand in hand together. So it should be something like boom, 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 boom. So, carbonic acid, bicarbonate buffer system. So CO2 plus H2O, H2CO3, and then HCO3. Alkalosis, a pH of higher than 7.35. The reactions push to the right to make the carbonic acid, to make more carbonic acid, which breaks apart to form hydrogen to react with and neutralize any base. So right is the alkalosis, and to the left is the acidosis. Okay, fair enough. Enzymes and biological reactions. Protein catalysts that regulate many metabolic reactions. Most enzymes are named after the reaction they catalyze, and their names end in A's. Example, amylase or hydrolase. I think that's an A. I don't really know. Hydrolase starch, maybe. All catalysts increase the rate of a reaction. I think you're part of this here. You are, okay. So we have oxidation, reduction, redox reactions. Many of the chemical reactions involved in cellular respiration and photosynthesis involve the transfer of electrons. Oxidation is the loss of electrons, and reduction is the gain of electrons. So you have Leo and Ger. Leo, loss electrons, Ger, gain electrons. Awesome. Okay, so that's literally all my cards. Very small section of the unit. Actually, tomorrow's test will be the final thing, I guess, other than the lab. It's due on Friday. But this will be like the final part of this unit, kind of. At least the learning. The learning's done now. So we get to move on to, I think we're doing genetics next, which is interesting because I just read, or not read, I watched um, a documentary on Netflix about genetic engineering. And that's a really fascinating world. And I would like to do more research in that area as well. I like these three main things that just kind of like swirl on my brain right now. And that's genetic engineering, sleep, and now psychedelics. And somehow I feel like they're connected to one another. I don't know why. I just feel that's true. How did this chat go away? Okay. I can take a look at this sheet. So, the space below, use the layers, should see what's water, base on left side of the eating. Damn, I actually really do need that picture. I'm gonna pause this live stream for a second. I don't know if it pauses or you just can't see me, but give me a sec. Okay, I'm back. Goodbye. Is that goodbye or just goodbye for the moment? Oh. Okay, let me check my emails. I have my new email system. It sucks. Also, I need to fucking apply. What is this? I need to apply for like scholarships. Also, I need to apply for some funding stuff because I don't know when the due date for that is. I hope I didn't fucking miss it. University of Guelph open house. I've been to a Guelph open house. It was okay. We are growing and strengthening indigenous community. We are growing and strengthening indigenous community. What I look forward. None of these guys are indigenous. That's bullshit. Not one of them. We have Asian, white, maybe Indian, and black. Where's my indigenous brothers at? And look forward to the possibility of you joining the circle. We are committed to supporting students in achieving their educational and career goals. Okay, April 15th is deadline for some scholarships. Good night. Oh, okay. Good night, buddy. And he's gone. Okay, so he was going. That's too bad. It's not to help you cover the cost of tuition. Okay, I would like to look at these scholarships. I should be studying, but I would like to look at the scholarships instead. Okay, so I'm gonna write that down. Forward scholarship. Scholar deadline, April 15th. April 15th. Biotest. Fucking bio test. I fucking love biology. Okay, the following awards are for indigenous students for the purpose of I feel like I may be indigenous. Award for Black and Indigenous students. Well, I'm one of those in mathematics. My math may not be the greatest, admittedly. I'm on mathematics. Okay, so I'm not going to engineering. These are all engineering. Okay, arts. I'm going into the faculty of arts, I think. I don't actually know really what I applied for. It's some psychology program, like just a basic one, maybe. I don't know. Didn't have a Bachelor of Science, I don't think. At least not the one I could apply for. Maybe, I don't know, maybe they did. Maybe I should have applied for a Bachelor of Science if they had one. I don't think they did, though. These are pretty big ones. Like, these are... Look at that $20,000 scholarship. That is quite the hefty amount. I'm only seeing one for Faculty of Arts. Come on, where's the psychology love, brother? Everyone loves psychology. See, the issue is, in terms of extracurricular, I don't really do anything. I don't really do anything. Like that's like what, sports and shit, and like maybe volunteering. I don't know. I don't do that. It's not my thing. Volunteer activities. I volunteered a little. I actually volunteered a decent amount this year, mostly for indigenous things. Like, what have I done? I have volunteered at, what was it? I did like this indigenous veterans thing I volunteered for. This is not necessarily. Okay, I volunteer at my school. I did fitness room, I guess. I got all my hours from that. I volunteered at a church once. I volunteered at another veterans thing. I think maybe for indigenous people as well. I'm not too sure. That was at ACS. Something to volunteer work this year. And mostly for indigenous communities too, so that could look good. I don't really know how I would prove that. Academic achievement. I don't know how academically inclined I am. Like, my average is, I guess it's good. I wouldn't say it's anything incredible. It's like, it's around in the 90s, close to the 90s. If everything goes really good this semester, I think I could pull through. Depends. For a Bachelor of Arts, I think I could pull through like 88 or 89% average. With for a Bachelor of Science, probably closer to an 85, which isn't terrible. That's all I need, really, I think, for that. I just want like an average is at least 85. That way, I can get an entrance scholarship. And I actually think right now, because my semester one average is 87.75, and that's only 4 classes. And if I could take my other 2 classes, we have an 85 and we have a 74. 74 is a class, I don't remember, I think it's kinesiology. Kinesiology is a good class, but like last year, just a very terrible student. It really tanked my mark. or it's really taking my mark right now, actually. I know I'm speaking past tense. It's really taking my mark. So as long as one of my 3 classes I'm taking now are much better, that will be added to my thing, and then it will take that off, and it will look very nice. So yeah, what am I doing? Let's do some mathematics. We're gonna use my only mark that I have right now, which is in bio, which is a 91. So I'll take that. That's a solid mark. So we'll take 86 plus 90 plus 94 plus, the 81, I forgot. Challenge and change. Should be an easy class. It's a booster class, but it fucking did me dirty, man. Did me dirty. Kind of difficult. Okay, 91. And then I have, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I have an 85, I think, in English, something like that. Divide that by 6, and that gives me 87.83 average. So I might round it up and say it's 88% average. Just a little bit higher. If I get rid of that 81 though, let's say I get like an 85 in physics. 85 in physics, 85 in English, 86 in data, 90 plus 94 plus 81 plus the 91. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. If I get that, I can get 88.5. That's really close to a 90. Oh man, the 90 is so close. Like, if I get the 90, I get like a $4,000 or $2,000 scholarship, I think. Oh man. Is it like, okay? Let's say I get 90 and 90. And we have 94, and we have the 90. So 91, 90, 94, 90. 86, and then the 85. Okay. If I get that, divide that by 6, 89.3. Holy, okay. So I would need 390. So if I get a 90, a 90, and a 90, so it means I have to get 90 in biophysics and advanced functions. And then I take my 94, my 96, or no, my other 90, I guess. And then I have the 86 from data. That's 6. And then I have that, and I divide that by 6. Okay, then I get a 95 average. So the only way I'm going to get a 90 average is if I get 90s in biophysics and advanced functions. Well, right now I'm doing that in bio. Barely. I'm doing it. In physics and functions, don't have markup dates, but I know they're not in the 90s. So those are going to be a little difficult. But I could do it. I can probably do it. I can probably wrap my head around that. How bad could that be? Before I never posted. I don't know why it didn't post. What is this? This is not, yeah, this one never was post. It's not, yeah, it's just not public. hey. I'm gonna change that to that. How do I save? I'm gonna change, go back. Make that public. Okay, it might be on my channel now. I should probably check. Looks like it's up there. So if I refresh this, should be up. Oh, yeah, that's. Yeah, the introduction. No, the intro. Okay, I have a video that has like almost 1,000 views, I think, but I think I privated it. I really love these videos, man. I feel like every kid should. I feel like every kid should fucking record themselves. Yeah, I think it's just cool. I think it's nice to look back on. Okay, so I sent up the picture of that, I believe. That's why I'm trying to check this entire time. Man, I get really sidetracked. I just don't want to do this, I guess. Where is... This is my inbox. It should have sent... I don't understand why they changed this. Like, I don't understand how it operates. Where... I'm gonna close this. Give me that. I don't want to use the new one. The new one sucks. It's not good. It also didn't even send the thing I wanted, which means I have to do it again. Why didn't you send? Subsystem message blocked? What do you mean it was blocked? What does that mean? Whatever. I've lost a lot of viewers. I'm at 0 viewers currently. I've had that for a while. If you ever watch this, I'm really just talking to myself right now, which might seem weird, but I'm really good at talking to myself. Like, I don't really do it out loud often, but I do it in my head. I don't know why, but I'll have really in-depth conversations with myself. Okay, I'm gonna read through these again. I'm doing a strategy. I've never done it before. Do I have blank paper here? I have one slice. I think I have some in my binder. I'm gonna do a cool strategy. I think it's called blurting or something. I don't exactly recall. Wow, so much blank paper here. I believe it's called blurting. That's when you read things and then anything you remember, just write it out. So I'm gonna try that. Apparently it's a really effective way to learn or to memorize. So we're gonna give that a shot. Because although I'm studying for things right now in high school, I should be practicing in developing better study systems and habits and with different study methods so that I'm better prepared for next year in university. Because a lot of people crash in their first year. It's very common actually for you not to do good because you're just adjusting and it's really all about surviving. That's fine. That's probably what I'll end up doing, but it doesn't hurt to try to succeed and do really good. I'll have to see though. It's going to be brutal, I imagine. I really like the thumbnails of my videos. They're really cool. Okay, there we go. So we're gonna start with this thing. This one here. Okay, so we have acids and bases and some blood buffer shit. So we'll just put them in 3 piles. So enzymes and biological reaction. Protein catalysts that regulate many metabolic reactions. Most enzymes are named after the reaction they catalyze in their names and in A's. Example is amylase. All catalysts increase the rate of a reaction. Okay. Oh fuck! This is bad. They regulate many metabolic reactions. Okay, let's look at these bad boys. Yeah, so I'm so strong. Okay, I work out so much. Most enzymes get their name. Okay. After the reaction, they catalyze and their name ends in A's. Christ. Okay, boom. Enzyme substrate structure. Okay, so substrate, enzyme, enzyme substrate complex. I can draw that. Is that right? Let's see. That was correct. The substrate must fit precisely in the active site in order for the reaction to proceed. All enzymes are specific to only one substrate. Okay, so shaped. Okay. Induced fit model. Glucose substrate. I'm gonna draw this. What is this? What is this? That's the finished binding site. And then you get something that looks kind of like this. Yep, that's good enough. Cause I'm a cream. I'm a widow. So we interact with the functional groups of the enzymes. One hour, let's go, baby. Woo. The substrate interact with the functional groups within the enzyme's active site. This helps to weaken the bonds in the substrate and increase the rate of reaction. When the enzyme and substrate interact, it changes shape to better fit the substrate. The substrate interacts with functional groups within the enzyme's active site. This helps to weaken the bonds in the substrate and increase the rate of reaction. When enzyme and substrate interact, it changes shape to better fit the substrate. I'm a widow. You guys can see the cactus. Oh, a viewer. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh, they're gone. Darn. That sucks. Except to interact with the functional groups within the enzyme's active site. This helps to weaken the bonds in the substrate and increase the rate of reaction. When the enzyme and substrate interact, it changes shape to better fit the substrate. Okay. Oh, yes. You know what? My back actually feels kind of smooth. I'm using this like new skin stuff, and it feels a little nice than usual. That's good. This side doesn't feel as nice. It doesn't feel terrible though. I'll take it. I guess that stuff is working in some level. So tomorrow I'm gonna wake up at probably 6. Maybe 6 gives me like maybe like 5:30. 5:30. Yeah, that's pretty early. It's not. I wouldn't say it's ideal to wake up that early, but what I do on test days, just get a little bit extra practice. At least for bio. If it's for another class, then I can do it on my spare. Enzyme substrate interact, it changes shape to better fit the substrate. Learning is very messy, but I appreciate it. I think it has its own beauty that most may not see, but I see it. Enzyme structure continue. Substrate enzyme. I can draw that. So this is enzyme structure continue. Here we have random shape, random hippopotamus shape. Boom. And here we have another very random shape, hippopotamus shape, and boom. And we have this is the enzyme, and this is the substrate. And then go over here, and you get beautiful shape. It looks something like that. What does this shape mean? It means it's a enzyme substrate complex. Substrate complex. Boom. Okay. Alright. Enzyme complex. Woo, alright. Okay. The active site of the F enzyme has a specific 3D structure that only allows it to bind to a substrate. Each enzyme is involved in specific biochemical reactions within each cell, each specialized for a particular function. Okay. As I really sure the oil levels that the bottom was so strange. It's in biological reaction, so I should probably learn how to draw this thing if I need to. I don't know if I need to. I'm not too sure what this is. What the fuck that is? Maybe. Probably get some water so I can take my pills. Be back. I've not had a view in a long time. I don't think this has ever happened before. Phil must be very busy. Okay. It's arguably probably better for my studies to not have any viewers. Oh wait, don't look at the chat too much. I'm feeling tired, and I just took melatonin and a relaxation pill. I'm gonna try to offset it. A little sweet treat. I don't think it's gonna work, but we'll see.
gonna say goodnight in case it's not up when I finish my shower. Bath.
All right.
Alright, have a good night.
All right.
Have a good day at school tomorrow.
Thanks. Oopsie doopsie. I'm gonna call it at 10:30. Go brush my teeth, wash my face, go to sleep at about 5:30. So I'm not getting very much sleep tonight, and that's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, let's do a. This one's a this one. This one's not too big either. I could probably finish it all. Okay. There's a timer. I'm gonna take a 5-minute break. Actually, I don't really have time for a 5-minute break, so I have to wait there. Oh shit. I have to do all this stuff. 7. I don't really have time for a break. It's 20 more minutes. 20 minutes to get some more cards. So many chemical reactions involved in photosynthesis and reproduction. And both the transfer of electrons. Oxidation is it's the gain and it's the loss of electrons, so it's Leo, and then reduction is the gain of electrons, so it's Ger. Cool. Okay. Still no view. It's kind of crazy. Okay, I'm tired. Pretty uneventful night, so it's probably good for the view. And we could go over here. Oh shit, I got one viewer. Holy cow. It's too bad. I'm going to end the stream very soon, but not quite yet. Oh my god, 2 viewers. Holy, oh. This is crazy. Two viewers. Can we hit the 3 like goal I have? That'd be pretty awesome. Unless they've already liked, which would be unfortunate. But well, it would be good, I guess. Oh, we got 3 likes. Let's go. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. You know me. I'm a fiend for the likes. It's a big card. Okay. I think I am done for the night. I am tired. And I have to wake up at 5:30. So I'm gonna call it here. Okay, let me turn my brightness on my phone up a bit. I think it's about to break. Oh, my phone is really hot. Wow. Okay, let me turn off my computer. Light. I should switch that on for a sec. Okay, we hit our light goal. Here's the study streak. Classic goodbyes. Gotta update the study streak. Almost there. 4 more days. We'll hit it. Can you guys see it? I might have zoomed in. There you go. 96. Boom. There we go. I'm so tired. Alright. Thank you to viewers for watching me. I appreciate it. Have a good night. I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.